Hi, everybody. Today we're going to talk about electromagnets, how they work, and how they can be used. They're super cool, and I hope that you enjoy this. So this is what I'm going to cover in the video. I know there's a lot of vocabulary here. As we go through this, I think you will understand these vocabulary words a little bit better. All right, so a solenoid, fancy word. All it means is a coil of wire. Okay, so here we've got a coil of wire where you'll see the circuit's broken. So there's not currently any electricity flowing through that circuit. Okay, so the shape is going to be really important. And the reason it's really important is that when we go ahead and we connect this circuit, we're going to get a magnetic field surrounding this coil of wire. And look at that shape of the magnetic field. It looks just like the shape of a bar magnet field. So what that means is we might be able to take use of that. All right, so this is going to seem like a separate fact, but we will put it together. So ferromagnetic materials have domains. So for example, here I have a nail. And these regions of space here is a domain. If you don't know what a domain is, please watch this video where I explain magnetic domains. Okay. So the nail itself is not magnetic, but it can be influenced by a magnet. We can temporarily align the domains of certain materials that are ferromagnetic: iron, cobalt, nickel. So those metals have domains, and I can temporarily make the domains do this, which would turn it into a magnet temporarily. Okay, so two separate pieces of information. What if we put them together? So what if we took this nail that's not currently magnetized and I put it right here so that it is inside this magnetic field? Remember that magnetic field? Looks just like the field around a bar magnet. So here I am. I've got now my nail with its domains that are random right now, but the circuit is not yet connected. Let's see what happens when I connect the circuit. Oh! Okay, so all the domains align, and when it does that, because it's inside this magnetic field, that's what caused them to align, and now this nail can act just like a bar magnet, okay? And it'll be able to pick up things like a bar magnet could. Now, if I disconnect the wire again, now the domains immediately, they go back to the way they were. And this is really interesting because it means now we have the ability to turn on a magnet, turn off a magnet, turn on a magnet, turn off a magnet. And this has all sorts of application. So what this all means is now we've got a magnet that we can turn on and off. And this has all sorts of applications. Literally surrounding you, we have these devices that we call electromagnets, meaning that we can use electricity to turn the magnet on and off. And it has all sorts of applications. So let's think. Speakers in your headphones, your hard drive in your computer, the brakes of your car, the automatic locks in your car, fire doors for an emergency, like the doors that automatically will shut. There's so many uses, and all of it is because we can use electricity to temporarily align the domains in a piece of metal that has domains but are not currently aligned. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if it helps you to understand electromagnets, and consider joining or subscribing to my page to find more videos like this in the future. Have a good one. Bye-bye.